In this video, we are decorating for the week of May 11th in the Teresa Collins Happy Planner. Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch weekly planning videos and click the link in the description box to get your free planning checklist. Our theme for this week is Modern Farmhouse, and I did a Modern Farmhouse spread recently, which I will link up in the cards. It was so pretty, and these are some of the prettiest stickers from the spring collection. I think, you know, everyone has their own style, but I love these colors and these stickers. So I wanted to do another Modern Farmhouse spread. Let me go grab some washi tape. Okay, I think I want to use silver this week because there are some pretty silver stickers in here in the back, and I want to use those. Those are so pretty. It's like kind of like a matte silver. And I do have one silver washi tape in here that kind of matches. This is from the Trendsetter washi tape collection, but I think it will be perfect to go with the spread. So let's start with that and put down some washi tape. Next up is box stickers, and I found a page that has that silver foil on it. So let's use these. I think we're gonna go with the, what is that called? Like a checkerboard kind of look. All right, let's have coffee on Monday because, oh, this one has coffee too. All right, so let's figure this out. Let's do checkerboard across the top like this. So, I like this one. We'll start here. So we're going to put one here, and then one here, one here, one here, one here, one here, one here. 2, 3, right, we need one for each day. Is this, so this is 6 boxes. Maybe, let's see, sometimes I do something different for the weekend. So we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a box up here for the weekend and do 6. So we could use 5 of these and then a double box for the weekend. I think we will do that. So which one? Oh, look at those little cookies. Those are so cute. All right. So to me, this one is the one that kind of doesn't match because of the flowers, and I like all the others. So I'm going to use these 5 and skip that one for now and use those on another day. So let's use one. We'll put this coffee on a different day. Maybe this will be our Friday. Maybe this will be our Friday, so we don't have 2 coffees next to each other. So here. Okay, and then since these 2 are both peach, we'll put one with peach on each page. I like this with the colors and the silver foil. That's so pretty. Okay, so this one will go here. And then this one can go here in the center of our week on Wednesday. And then this other peach. Oh my gosh, look, I just ripped it in half. I have never done that before. I don't think, maybe. Not a long time. Why did that stick? Oh, that's so sad. Well, I'm still using the sticker. We're just gonna do some little sticker surgery, I guess, and put it back together. So this part will go first and then that part. Let me turn this sideways. It's just a little easier, I think. Now, getting this right might be a little challenge. Sticker surgery. Oh, poor sticker. How's that? It might need a little bit of that sticky stuff on it. You know what's funny? Look at the sticker up close. It already has like some kind of rip kind of look to it so that it doesn't stand out that much. Okay, Next, we'll need a, I think we might want, let's see what we're gonna do for the weekend. Okay, I found a double box sticker that I want to use up here. And I'm going to use some of those really pretty quotes across the bottom. So, oh, this is a little different because I think it's made to fit in a dashboard planner. So let's see, should we go to the top or the middle or the bottom of this? Let's go to the bottom and then we'll have a little place to add some flowers. How about that? Okay, I want to try something new. I think I'm going to use these circle stickers as my checklist for each day. So let's see, there's green, peach, pink, gray. That's 4 colors. Green, peach, salmon, gray, and then whichever one we'll pick after that. So do we want matching or opposite? I always like matching, but maybe we'll do opposite. So like this day should get a green. This day should get, let's start on Friday. So I kind of want either to overlap them or, oh, maybe overlap would be even better. I was going to trim a side, but maybe they would look good overlapped. Oh, maybe like that even. This green could go with that green, kind of like this. And then maybe, let's put the gray with that one. And it can cover up that little part that I accidentally tore. I like that. All right, so let's do this page. A couple, 3 circles. So we're gonna need a peach, a pink. Maybe we'll use the other silver too because that's kind of our focus this week. So a peach and a pink. Which one should go where? I think I want the peach. I think maybe the silver over here. Pink here, peach up here. It doesn't matter. Peach. Pink. Gray. All right, these are the coolest stickers, so we have to use them. They're going to be our weekend checklists. And we're just going to put one here and then one opposite upside down. Flowers on the bottom, like that. Just because, that's cool. Now for the fun stickers. I can't wait to put this one. Look at this giant, like, silver gray joy. Yes, we need that. It can go either here or here. We have more room on this side, but it could go here. And I want to use that one in the column, and then we'll find something else. Since that one has a quote, let's put the big joy over here. And we're going to have to trim those florals a little bit and then move them. Yes. As much as I love those, we're going to have to move them. They're just kind of in the way. Come on, please let me cut a straight line. Okay. Oh, it's really not straight at all, but that's okay. This, because we're going to go right to this edge of the washi and you won't be able to tell. So that will go there. Ah, wrinkle. Then we'll just move these little florals below the washi. Or we could put them up here. Let's see if they fit. They're a little bit, No, I want to do that down here. We'll get some more to go up there that maybe are smaller. So let's put this here right underneath the washi. Cool. Right, I guess just got to trim this little extra clear part off. All right, I like that. Now let's find a quote for here, and then we'll put our column. Let's do our column quote first because I really like this one. What does it say? It says, hold on, glasses. Do everything with so much love in your heart that you would never want to do it any other way. How sweet is that? Love that. That's so nice. Oh, I hope I got it straight. It already decided to stick down. I think it's a little bit crooked. Okay, if it's crooked, that's how it's going to be because it's stuck. It did not want to come off. All right, I really like that though. So we have this other big quote. What does that say? If you want to be happy, be. How nice. That's a good one too. All right, maybe that will be our quote to go here. And I think, okay, maybe this is where we'll get these extra florals because again, I'm going to have to trim this one. Yes, so we'll put that there and we'll trim some of those florals off and then they'll go up here. All right, so just below those flowers right there should be, all right. Now, straight lines, yeah, not my best. Okay, now we'll try to center this quote. Oh my gosh, love. All right, let's put these little florals up here. So pretty. Okay, there are some things we can layer. I love this. Let's layer some of these on these circles because we have room to do that. Let's do, wait, do we want pink next to that? Green, peach. I don't really want another peach with that one. Maybe a green there. Or let's see, do we want green here or green there or green here? I like the peach with the pink. I think that's pretty. So let's do that. Maybe a green one over here. I like these silver to-dos. I think I'm going to try on these weekend things to just see how that looks. Oh, how about just hanging off of it? I like kind of like that. And then would we hang one at the top on that side? Let's see how that looks. I think it covers up too much. I think I'm not going to do that. I want to put a little bit more. I like to put things in the corners, so I want to put these little peach florals in this top corner and then that bottom corner over there. I just kind of like these. I wonder if they're all the same. Yeah, they look like they're all the same. This one might need like a little quote or something. It needs something with it. I didn't really find anything, and we're on a one sticker book challenge right now. We're gonna get this whole spread done with just one sticker book, so I'd hate to have to pull something from another sticker book, just one sticker. So I'm just gonna place those little, maybe I need 2 of them. Will that help? Let's grab 2. Maybe that's all it needs. These stickers tear easy for some reason. All right, I peeled this one up a little bit just so that I could layer these 2. Like that. Oh man, that one ripped too. Oh well, it is what it is. Let's trim this edge and pop it on the discs and see how it looks. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!